What's up, everybody? Real fast, I figured I'd jump in here. No intro for this video. We just put the quick disclaimer. As you can see, we are in a massive US30 trade. It is extremely massive. I'm going to break down this trade and what went on. Okay, so first of all, in order for you to understand this trade, we have to put the period separator on here. And we're going to explain. So this is the day after Thanksgiving. Hope everybody enjoyed their gobble gobble day. You know we never stop trading. My robots run 24/7. And here we go. So let's break down the trade. Okay, so we entered this trade last week, Friday. And this is on a scalping robot, mind you. If you look at all the arrows and entries, you see all of these entries with some good entries. Everything looked like it ran, and it ran, and it ran. So, you know, if you play the high and low of the day, you definitely could eat off of this. If you play support and resistance, supply and demand, whatever the three, all three I use, obviously, whatever you choose, you're going to win. So let's look at our entry. Our entry was this candle here. As you can see, price was in we called the sell. The sell went down. Let's see how much the sell went down for. You know, you would have entered here if this was the entry. And you would have caught all these pips. You know what I mean? You would have caught this 4,000, 529 pips. Okay, so you would have caught that. It was really points, but let's stick with pips for now. Okay, so you'd have caught that. And then if you wanted to play the low of the day and the support level, you'd have took this buy right here, right? That's a whole nother system we got. You could have took the buy off that. We got the supply and demand robot. Okay, so that's coming. It's not publicly available, but we do have it. And it would have took the buy right here as the price was respected. As you can see the wick, it lets you know right there the buyers stepped in and they took this thing to the moon. So a lot of people would have got caught right here. This pullback is what it is. This would have faked you out. See, let's just check it out. This pullback right here, there's no level. So this is how you knew this was just a pullback. There was no reason for it to stop here and just reverse. But some people would have saw this wick and this wick because that's what we trade. We trade wicks as well. They would have saw this and got out. But no. Okay. This was just a pullback. And as you see, when it hit the support, what did it do? It respected it. It hit it. It bounced off. Went up. It pulled back again to fake you out. This is a fake out. And then that's when we got the signal on the bank executive. Okay. So look, we got the signal, and we blasted off. So this is where we entered, right here. Let me put the sign. Let me put a marker to show you where we entered. This is where we entered the trade, and this is 3 positions, by the way. That's why the profit is so high. It's actually 3 positions. It's not 1. It looks like 1, but it's actually 3 because I have the robot set to take 3 positions on this entry. Okay, so we entered here, and that was it. We never looked back. We never got out the trade. You see the low of the day was created on Wednesday, the day before Thanksgiving. The low was created here again. There was no reason to get out of the buy. Another low was created here. So what we're going to do right now, since that low was created, is... okay, it's not letting me. But we're going to take the stop loss, and you'll put it right here. Okay, so the market is acting up on us. It's cool, it's cool. But the market is open. But what we'll do is we'll put our stop loss right here under the low for the day. And there's no reason to get out. So we've been in this trade on 3 positions on US30 for a week off of the bank executive. Now, the reason I'm specifically posting this video in particular is because bank executive is now available. This robot was not previously available. It is my favorite strategy that I use to trade right now. It's been my favorite for a while. It's a couple of people I know favorite that trade for a long time. And yeah, so as you see, we just took this trade, man, and we just stayed in it. I hit my max position. I told the robot stop trading after 3 trades, and that's it. So we got the 3 positions right here. As you can see, these 3 positions is open, and we just been sitting here. So we'll be in this trade. I'm gonna let this trade run until next week. Like I said, there's no real reason to get out of it, so I'm not going to get out of it. But I figured I'd post this to show you guys what's going on and what's happening. So this robot is on Black Friday sale at the moment. If anybody knows that or doesn't know that, it's going to be on sale over the weekend, and then the price is going to go up, of course. But this is my favorite strategy, and I wanted to make this a special release. So I said I'm going to release this on sale for Black Friday for anybody that wants it. And it does have a signal scanner as well. So don't think that you don't have the scanner. The scanner is there. And we're looking at that. I'm looking for the signal scanner. I ain't worried about no drawdown on no Apple trade. I ain't worried about it. You know, we don't worry about no little drawdown. You gotta worry about that on the funded account, though. We ain't worried about it, though. Here we go. So this is the signal scanner. Let me fix it for y'all so y'all can see how it's supposed to look. And boom. That's the scanner right there. So these are the pairs that we're scanning, and the time frames that I have it on. If a time frame is gray when you look at the scanner, it's because the scanner is not. I don't have that time frame scanning. Okay. As you can see, those are all the entries to the right. This pip counter that I'm using in particular, a lot of people ask about it. I'm gonna put this on the site. It's gonna be inexpensive, but this is custom made by us. This is not the one that I was using before. This is a custom made one. Okay, so yeah, but this is the scanner that goes along with it. So as you can see, we're in the buy on US30, and just to show you guys that I'm not tripping, US30's right here, and you know this is the bank specialist, and the bank specialist also took some positions. But as you can see, the difference between the bank executive and the bank specialist is that's not what ended the trade. Okay, so that's cool and everything, but bank executive is what ended this trade. Let me fix the chart for y'all so y'all can see it. Okay, so that's what ended this trade, and the market is definitely looking closed right now, but we'll figure it out. We'll figure all of this out. All right, so anyway guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I just wanted to show y'all this trade and this what was going on, and I'm gonna stop right now because the market is definitely acting up or closed or something's wrong with the internet. So I'm out of here guys. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you're interested in this, let me know. Peace.